Hi everyone, welcome back. Just a quick one. I've just got a little haul to show you, a craft haul. I treated myself to this Fiskars large paper trimmer, the Shortcut. I've always wanted one. It cuts the 12-inch papers, the 12 by 12s. It's a Shortcut Plus, solid stainless steel, and it can trim up to 5 papers maximum. I've got my 12 by 12 other paper cutter here, and this done me so well. I just love this paper cutter. I bought this from Aldi's for like £3 or something like that, and that's lasted me a very long time. But I've always wanted the Fiskars, so I decided to get it. I have the smaller Fiskars as well. I love it, this little one, when I do small projects, and I love that as well. I think I just like the look of them, and I can't wait to use this. I also got some ink pads. I've got some Tim Holtz and I've got some other brands, but I wanted to try these ones out. They're just the tiny small ones. I've got the sky blue here, the violet, the blue and purple, and then I've got the aqua, the light green, the green and the olive. I really liked them. I got them from createtime.com, and when I purchased them, because my Hobbycraft was out of stock for the Fiskars, and I found it, eBay didn't have any, and when I found it on createtime.com, I made a purchase. I didn't get any email or anything to let me know that my order had gone through. All I had was my PayPal receipt to say that I've made payment to them, and I was a bit worried because I didn't get anything. You know, you get a notification, an email to say thank you for purchasing, blah blah blah. I didn't get that, nor an update of delivery or anything, and I thought I'd give it a few days and see how it goes. And then it just turned up in the post a few days after, and I was really glad for that. I'll be off now, and I'll see you back really soon. Take care of your good selves. Bye for now. Bye.